Ready to unlock the full potential of your WhatsApp marketing with Aisensy. It all starts with getting your contacts into the platform, and this video will show you how, step by step. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Contacts section. Look for a button that says Upload Contacts or Import Contacts. Make sure your contact list is in the right format. Aisensy typically accepts CSV or XLSX files. Double check that your file doesn't contain any unsupported formats like PDF. Ensure the contact data is well organized with clear columns for each data point. Most importantly, ensure your phone numbers are in international format with the country code. Click the Upload Contacts button. You'll be prompted to select your file and map the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. After mapping the columns, initiate the upload process. Aisensy will process your file and import your contacts. You'll usually see a progress bar or a notification indicating the status of the import. Once the import is complete, double-check your contact list within Aisensy to ensure all the data has been uploaded correctly. Remember to always prioritize data privacy and compliance with regulations at GDPR when managing your contacts. Now you're ready to start engaging your audience with Aisensy.